Hello student, good morning. In last lecture we discussed the miscellaneous exercise 2. Now miscellaneous exercise question number 12. Prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So here let left hand side equal to 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3. Now there is a two term. We can take 9 by 4 as a common. That means 9 by 4. So now what will remain after we taking 9 by 4 common? It is pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3. Now 9 by 4 pi by 2 minus sine inverse is cos inverse 1 by 3. Cos inverse 1 by 3. Now let this is alpha and we are taking cos inverse 1 by 3 as alpha. So 9 by 4 alpha. That means cos alpha is adjacent sine upon hypotenuse 1, 3. So opposite side will be 3 square. 9 minus 1 under root. That means root 8 and root 8 is 2 root 2. So opposite side will be 2 root 2. Now we need answer in the form of sine inverse. So here sine alpha is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. That means 9 by 4 alpha equal to sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. This is the reason. So alpha equal to sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3 and that is our right hand side. Got it? Now 13th question. Solve the given inverse trigonometry equation. 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. So here 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. So 2 times tan inverse cos x. So tan inverse cos x plus tan inverse cos x, that equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Apply this formula. So we have tan inverse cos x plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x into cos x, that equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Now simplify it. Sine inverse 2 cos x, 1 minus cos square is sine square x, that equal to tan inverse 2 by sine x. Cosec x is 1 by sine x. Now sorry, tan inverse cancel. So what we have? 2 cos x upon sine square x equal to 2 by sine x. 2 cancel, 1 sine cancel, that means cot x equal to 1 and therefore x equal to pi by 4. Right? X equal to pi by 4. Now check the answer. Is x equal to pi by 4 satisfying the given condition? So given equation. So let left hand side 2 tan inverse cos pi by 4 equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by root 2 and 2 tan inverse 1 by root 2 equal to tan inverse 1 by root 2 plus tan inverse 1 by root 2. Tan inverse 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 two times. That means 2 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. That means it is tan inverse. This is 1 by 2. 2 by root 2. 1 by 2. Simplified. What will happen? Tan inverse 2 by root 2, 2 by 1. That means tan inverse 2 root 2. Now, right hand side, tan inverse 2 cosec x, tan inverse 2 cosec pi by 4, and tan inverse cosec pi by 4 is root 2, tan inverse 2 root 2. So left hand side and right hand side both are same. So can we say that by 1 and 2 x equal to pi by 4 is the solution, is only solution of given equation. Clear? Let's see next example. Now question 14. Find the solution. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x for a positive value of x. So here let 2 on right hand side, left hand side, tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to tan inverse x. Now, as we did in earlier example, tan inverse 1 minus x, tan inverse 1 minus x, tan inverse 1 plus x equal to tan inverse x. Now apply here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So tan inverse 1 minus x 1 plus x plus 1 minus x 1 plus x upon 1 minus 1 minus x 1 plus x 1 minus x 1 plus x equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse, denominator same, add numerator, so 1 minus x, it is 2 times, and denominator is 1 plus x. In here denominator 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x whole square upon 1 plus x whole square equal to tan inverse x. This 1 power will cancel and that denominator 1 plus x goes in numerator. So we have tan inverse cancel. So what will remain? 2, 1 minus x, 1 plus x. 1 plus x. From where? It's from the denominator. Now 1 plus x square means 1 plus 2x plus x square minus 1 minus minus plus 2x minus x square equal to x. See, 1 1 x square cancel, in numerator 2 1 minus x square upon 4x equal to x. 2 to the 4. Now what will remain? 1 minus x square equal to 2x into x, 2x square. So 1 equal to 3x square. x square equal to 1 by 3, that means x equal to 1 by root 3. Positive only. Why? We have given x greater than 0. Because x is greater than 0, that's why we are not taking negative 1 by root 3. Clear? So this is the solution. Now check this is correct or not. So for that value x equal to 1 by root 3, substitute left hand side, tan inverse 1 minus 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3, 2 times here, and answer will be tan inverse 1 by root 3. Simplify it, you will get answer tan inverse 1 by root 3. Check it by yourself. Clear? Let's go to the question number 16. 15 number question you can do by yourself. Now for a 16 question, sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2, then find the value of x. So here we have a sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now take this sin inverse on right hand side. So we have pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Now 1 minus x, if we are taking this sin inverse, that it will be sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Sin pi by 2 plus theta, it will be cos theta. Sin pi by 2 plus second quadrant sign positive, that means cos 2 sin inverse x. Now convert that cos into sin, so it will be 1 minus sin square 2 sin inverse x under root clear. 1 minus sin square 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x. 1 minute. Let's see question number 16. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Then find the value of x. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Take that sin inverse on right hand side. So we have pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Now 1 minus x. Take this sign also on right hand side. So sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. So it will be cos 2 sin inverse x. 1 minus x equal to cos 2 sin inverse x. Let that is a theta. Sin inverse x equal to theta. X equal to sin theta. Clear? So now we have cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta, sin theta is x, that means x square. Sin theta is x, sin square theta is x square. So 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 2x square. 1 cancel. Minus x equal to minus 2x square. Take right hand side, 2x square minus x equal to 0, taking x common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, that means x equal to 0, or 2x minus 1, that means x equal to 1 by 2. We have a two different solution for a given question, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. Let's check. Is x equal to 0 satisfying the given condition? Taking x equal to 0, left hand side equal to sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0 is 0 and sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, that is right hand side. So x equal to 0 is the one solution. Now for x equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 2, substitute on the left hand side, sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse x equal to 1 by 2. So this is sine inverse 1 by 2 and 2, this is pi by 6. Pi by 6 minus pi by 3, this is minus pi by 6. It's not equal to pi by 2. It's not equal to right hand side. That means x equal to 1 by 2 is not our solution. Only solution is x equal to 0. Clear? The last question of this miscellaneous exercise, question number 17. Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y is equal to dash. So let tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y by x plus y, tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse, divide that numerator and denominator by y. So we have x by y minus 1, x by y plus 1. So tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x by y minus 1, 1 plus 1 into x by y. Nothing is multiplied with x by y, so we can write as a 1 with multiplication. Got it? Now tan inverse x by y minus, see, it is a formula of tan inverse x minus y. So tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse 1. If we are applying the formula of tan inverse x minus y, we will get this tan inverse subtraction of x by y minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 into xy. Clear? Reverse formula we are using here. Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x by y minus minus plus tan inverse 1. This is cancelled. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. This is our answer. Clear? So miscellaneous exercise is over. In the next lecture, we will discuss the some problems rather than the textbook, which are useful for JEE or GUJCAT. Okay, see you soon, beta. Bye bye.